Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Web developers, do you need to configure Gmail with XAMPP for local email testing? Then you're in luck. Today, we will walk you through all the steps to connect Gmail to XAMPP in 2024. Whether you are testing email functionality on your local host or setting up a development environment, integrating Gmail with XAMPP can help you troubleshoot email-related issues effectively. Stay tuned, and let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, for this specific video, we will have a couple of requirements. The first thing is to own an email within Gmail. To have that, you simply have to go to google.com and create a Gmail within it. If you don't have one already, that's perfectly good. The second thing is to have XAMPP. XAMPP, you can use it as in Visual Studio Code, which is gonna be allowing you to use it. Well, for those who doesn't know what is XAMPP and simply want to watch this video for more information, then XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache friends, consisting mainly of the Apache HTTP server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for scripts written in the PHP and per programming languages. So this is what XAMPP looks like, and this is basically the servers and how does it look, how the control panel works, and how it looks. Now in this video, we are going to walk you throughout these steps of configuring it and how we can add it or write a code that can actually connect Gmail within this platform. So here we have this article that's gonna help us and guide us throughout this video, and now we are going to go through it. So what is send mail in XAMPP, which is the most important thing, and then we are going to talk about the SMTP, which is usually used for mailers and the transfer protocol, and basically it works for sending a bulk amount of messages or emails for specific people or database that we own of emails at the same moment. So SendMail is one of the built packages in XAMPP. It is used for sending mail locally or and mailing servers of the local Apache. For example, you have a simple PHP project with a mailing feature. To use a PHP mail function, we use the SendMail package to send mail from localhost. Now, what is SMPT? Stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is an internet communication protocol for sending electronic mail, SMTP. It is a protocol that allows mail servers and other message transfer agents to send and receive email messages. It manages email transmission via an SMTP server. Now, what is Google/Gmail's SMTP? It is basically a free SMTP that anyone can use. You can use email clients or web applications to manage email transactions from your Gmail account. Email clients are mail programs used by users. The most well-known one include Mail, Outlook, and Thunderbird, and of course Gmail. Now, how to set up the Google Gmail SMTP in XAMPP SendMail service? Here are the following steps that you need to do. Implement Gmail SMTP as the mailing server of your XAMPP to send mail in localhost. The first thing is, as I said, the requirements of this video, to own a Gmail account. So the first thing you must do is create a Google account. It is pretty simple, guys, as we talked about in the video. Then the second thing is to generate an app password in your Google account. So you simply have to go right here, as I said, click here, and you can click on your accounts right through here. This is the same as this picture, and after you do that, click on account and go to the security page and enable setup your account with two-step verification to enable app password feature. Next to it, generate an app password that you will use for XAMPP SendMail package. As you can see, select the app and device you want to generate the app password for. So as you can see, you simply have to click on generate, and the code will be sent to you, as you can see right here, which is basically blurred by them. And the third thing is to go to your xampp.php ini. So open your source code file with your preferred text editor and find the mail function settings using the mail function. So this is how it's gonna look like. So this is for Windows, for example, for Windows 32 bytes only. This is for as I said, as you can see here. So this is the code smtp equals smtp.gmail.com, and use the port. So this is the code that you have to copy and to actually have, so keep it for your information. You can take a screenshot of it or anything. Then here's step number 4, which is set up in the XAMPP send mail configuration. So the next thing is to configure the XAMPP send mail. You can be using your Google account. So this is the code. As you can see, XAMPP server has to be gmail.com, XAMPP port is 465, XAMPP SSL is auto, error.log, my mail. This is the username, of course, so your mail, and basically the password, which is the password that has been generated right here. So this is very important, guys. Now after we did that, you have to lastly restart your Apache. So don't forget to restart your XAMPP Apache server if it is already running or started. There you go, your XAMPP is now ready to send mail using localhost to state that you use the following script on PHP. So here you can see PHP simple sending mail script using PHP mail. So simply click on try mail, your mail, basically your email within Gmail, simple mail only. For example, this is the text is going to be sent, and this is a simple email content only, echo email message sent, cut exception, print get message, etc. So this is how you can send a simple message on XAMPP Apache on using only your Gmail XMPP credentials. So basically, as you saw, guys, it's pretty simple. If you are basically well known and confident with coding, that's gonna be like drinking water. And of course, for those who doesn't know anything about coding and just getting started, well, there you go. We are giving you within this video the codes to be used within your code, like within your text editor or within your code editor software. So this is the code. You can simply copy it or take a screenshot of it, and then of course write it within your text editor. As you can see here, this is the first code. So this is for the first code that you have to click or to write, and then this is for the mail function, and this is set up the XMPP send mail configuration. So this is the mail function, and this is the mail configuration. So here it is. You can take a screenshot. So there we go. Let's wait a couple of seconds. So I'm gonna zoom in for you, and as you can see, guys, this is the code. So take a screenshot, and now after you have taken it, let's count till 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and finally 5. Congratulations, now you have copied it. Now let's go to the configuration mail. So there we go. This has to be longer, so let's go right here. Okay, this is perfect. So here, try to only take a screenshot of this part, which is the SMTP server, into the authentication password. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after you take a screenshot of these two, just make sure that you are changing the username and the password to your username and password, and you are being good to go. The same thing goes for send mail form. This has to be done like that, and this is the final code which you are going to use to test if the code is working perfectly good. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your questions. So thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.